Hi, welcome back to Strawberry Jam Toys. Today's lesson is matching animals to their shape. Let's find where the cow goes. No. No. Let's find where the stingray goes. No. No. Let's find where the kangaroo goes. No. No. Let's find where the goose goes. No. No. Let's find where the squid goes. No. No. Let's find where the monkey goes. No. No. Let's find where the pig goes. No. No. Let's find where the sailfish goes. No. No. Let's find where the elephant goes. No. No. Let's find where the rabbit goes. No. No. Let's find where the blue tang goes. No. No. Let's find where the panda goes. No. No. Let's find where the horse goes. No. No. Let's find where the shark goes. No. No. Let's find where the cassowary goes. No. No. Let's find where the lamb goes. No. No. Let's find where the crab goes. No. Let's find where the crocodile goes. No. No. Let's find where the sheep goes. No. Let's find where the zebra goes. No. Let's find where the piglet goes. Let's find where the turtle goes. Let's find where the giraffe goes. We hope you had fun learning, and we will see you at the next lesson.